Hi Wakefield. Just looking at your project here. Kind of thinking maybe we could just use the dice alone without the text or the box around it. And then just use this font. Let me see here. Just trying to figure out why I can't crop it. Keeps on doing that. If I crop it up with the black arrow tool and then use the white arrow tool, I guess I can kind of arrange it so that at least I can get the text out of there. And I can kind of bring in the sides a little bit to maybe get rid of the edges of that box that are behind the logo. Although I'm noticing sometimes it sizes it down, but if I use the white arrow tool, I can kind of move it around in there. I think it actually sized it down. I'm going to try and size it up a little bit to get rid of the edges of that black box that's behind the dice. And I think that makes it look cleaner. It's kind of a hard thing to do in some ways because it keeps on wanting to size it up instead of just crop it, which is kind of weird for InDesign. I think that's a new feature. And then maybe just bring this up a little closer, maybe center these just a little bit better, bring this down a little bit. Also, in your template, you might want to turn the eyeball off before you export out and save your file for the last time. The template's great for seeing where the safe zone is, which I think maybe your white line is not inside of the safe zone. You might want to actually move that white line in so that it's more inside of the safe zone than outside of it. Just a little bit, and then turn that off. Probably fix this even better. It's not quite looking amazing, but you can take your time with that a little bit more than I did. In the back, this looks pretty good. I don't see like an email or anything. And I did want icons in here, which I did cover that in the business card demo, where we found an icon online, brought it into Illustrator, did an image trace of it, and then just copied it and pasted it directly into InDesign from Illustrator. So you would do that same process here. You could bring in any kind of icon, social media, maybe with a handle next to it. If you don't have social media, then just kind of make something up and then have the icon there just to show that you can do that. But other than that, I like your design. I think the colors are nice. So great job.